I cannot get over how amazing these tomato cages are. I just moved my tomato plants from one garden to another, and that was only possible thanks to these tomato cages. I moved them over in paper bags, shoved them in these pots with some sticks, and now I'm going to use KBrand's tomato cages to make my tomato plants happy once again. The most beautiful thing about these is you can add them at any point. You can add them to a fully grown tomato plant. You can adapt them as your tomato plant is growing up. And I love that you can add the side clamps however you want, however your tomato plant needs them. There is no possible way I could do this with a standard tomato cage. This only works thanks to how customizable these cages are. I love them so much that I got even more, and I'll show you all my tomato plants when I finished. I have this one. Look how happy it is. It's a fully grown tomato plant that I just moved. And I moved all of these as well. And I will be using these tomato cages for years to come. They pack up small. They can get as tall as you need them to get. And they do such a good job with your tomato plants. Here you can see a close-up on those side clamps. I love how they have lots of options on how narrow or wide they can be. And I like to put them where my tomato plant needs them. They even work great on little plants to help them grow. These are fantastic, and I highly, highly recommend them.